Okay, you can fly it as high as you want.
Wait lang.
Just avoid the bat, huh?
Okay.
Okay, man.
Yeah, I gotta connect it. Okay, so it's connected.
Okay. Oh, you hold it na lang. You fly it with your hand. Just like what you did a while ago.
Sam, dito oh.
Because of the grass eh.
Dito nga. Dito nga oh.
Okay, yan. That's good, that's good. Okay. Happy.
That is still gonna
Because of the grass?
hold it. And then I'll just take it back.
Yeah, how about there? It
That
won't?
work. Just hold it like this, and then I'll just take it that one. I shake it. Okay, that might work.
Okay, that's it. Okay, Sam, I can.
I shake it. I cannot.
Ah, no.
I can't do nothing.
Hold na lang. Ayan na lang. Oh. Yan.
Let's go.
Let's go. Wow!
I shake it. Shake.
Oh, try it as high as you want.
What if I accidentally lose it?
And good luck.
Good luck.
Next, the camera.
Okay, there's Sam. Where's your dad? Oh, there's your dad, oh. Okay.
I can't go as high as I want.
Yeah, just avoid the bars, okay?
Okay.
Oh, can. Move away. It might hit you.
Why?
Okay, I'm going to film together with your dad.
Can I go up?
Oh, there's light, oh. Oh, my God. Yan. Oh, ito, mayroon ditong better lighting. It has a better lighting in this area.
Right here?
Yeah, here.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it this way.
Okay.
Do I have to hold it still?
Yep.
Can it land? It can go up.
Let's see if it can land. It can fly.
I'm gonna hit the bat.
Okay, move away, Ken.
What if I accidentally hit the bat? Oh,
It's okay. It's okay with the bat.
I hit it. Look how fast the bat is.
It's okay. Don't worry about the bat.
Can I go really high? Can you
Yeah,
hit the
but just be careful, okay?
Can move.
Okay.
I'm gonna go really, really, really high. What if I lose a drone? Bye.
Yeah. Okay, good.
Goodbye, drone. Oh, no, it's not stable. Damn, don't touch me. It's not stable.
What do you mean it's not stable?
Oh,
Ah, what happened?
what's it? Hold on.
Oh, there it is.
Is that auto?
Yup. I'm gonna keep it stable for now. Auto up. Look, the wind is pushing it back. Ken, would you mind moving back?
Oh, move back. It might hit you.
Moving backward. Okay, we gotta land it after. So if it goes over there.
So if it crashes, it will not break because there's a grass.
I'm gonna fly it. Ken, move. Ken, move. I might accidentally hit you. Look at the wing. Not me. Why you? There. Oh. See, I can make the speed quicker. Make the speed quicker.
Or you stay here.
Yeah, Mama.
I'll give you a blanket.
Oh, there's Emo, Ken, and Sam.
Can I put it higher?
Okay, you can do it.
Don't be scared.
Yeah, a bit higher. Just avoid the wires, okay?
Hey! If I hit the wire, say goodbye.
No, it won't smash.
It's not we're going up.
Higher.
Go down, go down.
Whoa, it went.